Anyone else taking Zoom calls like this, especially in this almost 80-degree weather in November in Ohio? It's insane. My name's Tiffany. I'm a commercial insurance agent for People's Insurance Agency. I help businesses understand their insurance coverage so that if something happens, they don't wonder that they're covered, they know. We've had the conversation, they understand their coverage, and they know. And so today, I'm asking you, if you're at home doing the Zoom call like I'm doing, have you talked to your insurance agent about what that looks like for your policy? You might need to think about what your business personal property looks like off premises, because like my work laptop, for example, as a salesperson, I've always had a laptop that I could take back and forth, but now with everybody having laptops that used to have desktop in the office, that's a lot more off-premise property that they need to think about. Liability issues, oh man, don't get me started. I had just turned in a claim for someone that invited a client to their house just to pick up papers to sign, because I guess they lived close by. The guy fell down her steps, negligent or not, her homeowner's insurance denied coverage, saying that he was there on business. Now, I think they're still fighting it. Her commercial carrier is looking at it too, but something so small where she thought she was trying to be more helpful, she was being more helpful for her client, kind of backfired on her. And so it's just something to be aware of. Workers' comp, huge issue. Are your employees on the clock? Are they off the clock? If they fall down the steps when they were running to answer their phone and fall, I mean, that is a workers' comp claim. We've taken huge extremes to make our workplaces safer so that we minimize injury, but our house is, I don't know about you, but I'm a klutz. I trip up the stairs. Now granted, I'm not working at the time, but I could have been. Employment practices liability, it's an issue. You could potentially run into overtime and wage and hour issues. Obviously, you're going to have that conversation with your employee, but again, it's something that most people have never had to deal with. That laptop temptation for some people is real, like trying to get on top of their work. That's a real issue. And then finally, most important, and I'm going to do a whole other video about it, is cyber coverage. The amount of intricacies the intricacies of a cyber policy vary from form to form. There's no standard form. I think I've said this a million times. There's no standard form. You've got to review everything. Find the fit that works best for your company. So while you're at home in your comfy clothes, at least, do yourself a favor. Talk to your agent. Give them a call. Do a Zoom call. Put on your nice Zoom shirt, or wear a funny one. I'm sure they'll appreciate it. Have that conversation with them. See, this is the benefit of working from home. This is my coworker. Want to say hi, Jedi? Hi, Jedi. Reach out to your agent, and don't have one. Reach out to me. I'm happy to help any way I can. I love people. Welcome to 2020.